This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by switching to desktop mode so you can configure external inputs quickly. Once done, enable Bluetooth and pair any wireless keyboard or mouse. Make sure the Steam Deck remains discoverable. If you prefer wired devices, connect a USB-C hub and plug in keyboard and mouse. This reduces latency. You'll also confirm power and battery level to avoid interruptions. Finally, open Steam's controller settings while still in desktop mode to prepare mapping and detect the new inputs. Next, you map and tune how the keyboard and mouse behave. In Steam's controller settings or big picture, add a new layout and assign keyboard keys to controller actions. This lets games accept inputs even if they lack native support. Then calibrate pointer sensitivity and acceleration so the mouse feels natural. Reduce acceleration for precise aiming. Use the trackpad as a gyro alternative if desired, and set dead zones to avoid drift. Once satisfied, save the layout as a profile for reuse. Finally, you validate and finalize your setup. Launch a game or a desktop app to test keybinds, pointer movement, and scrolling. Play for a few minutes and tweak sensitivity or remap any awkward keys. Save the profile locally or to Steam Cloud so you can restore it later. If inputs fail, first reconnect the USB hub or repair Bluetooth, then check device firmware and Steam client updates. If problems persist, toggle back to desktop mode and reapply the controller profile. This often resolves detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.